About spinners! Hello, welcome to Alex Kids Fun. Today, we're gonna have a video all about entertainment. For that, we're gonna use spinners. You already probably know about fidget spinners or Beyblades. That is what gave me the idea to build these cool Lego spinners. This is Ocean. We named Ocean Ocean not only because she's blue like an ocean, but this looks kind of like an island. Then looks like the sea. And then when you look under, ocean, when you look under, you see that's a tan color, so it looks like sand. Ocean is the simplest pattern. The circle part is already put together, making it less pieces. Just put that on top of that. Ta-da! Let's watch her spin. Wow, it really looks like a windy day at the ocean when you watch her vibrate around like that. This is bubblegum. My sister really wanted to make a spinner, but the problem was the video had already started, so that's why this was kind of like a surprise spinner. Now let's build bubblegum, who is also super duper easy. Alright, bubblegum, like I said, is very simple. All we need to do is put that right there, put this right here, flip it over, and put this right here. Now bubblegum got her name because this pink looks like bubblegum and that looks like the red. Now let's spin bubblegum and check out her spin. This is Pattern. Pattern got her name from her spin. When she spins, she goes so fast you see the pattern red, brown, and so on. Let's watch her spin. Pattern is one of the most simple spinners. Like when we introduced Pattern is very good at battles. This bottom that Pattern has lets Pattern spin very long sometimes. And I'm guessing that you already would know how to put Pattern together. It's super easy. Put those beside each other. Put that on top. Push it around. Right here. Now let's watch Pattern spin again. Meet Birthday Cake! Birthday Cake got her name because the red top kind of looks like a candle, and then this kind of looks like some dough and some icing that's gray and some more icing. I don't know why that we made the icing gray, but who knows why. It's funny. So here, birthday cake is really, really easy. That on top of that, and that is the bottom, and that is the candle or top. Now, so birthday cake here, her bottom really falls off a lot when you spin her. So let's see if it will fall off this time. Looks pretty cool. Next, let's build Pro. Pro is named Pro because Pro is very, very good at battles. Let's start building. It's super easy. So Pro here is made of these 3 rectangles. 2 go beside each other. 1 goes on top. Now you want to make sure this is even so that it will spin. Now you flip it around. And Pro's bottom is a bit raised because we put this piece. Like Pattern has one of these and Ocean has one of these. Oops. Put it right on top of this. Right here. Ta-da! Now we need something to spin Pro. So let's use this. Ta-da! Wow, cool spin. Kind of looks like a pattern or rings around a oval cylinder. Love the spinners! Hey! I want to tell you something. Did you know that in spinner battles, usually people say 3, 2, 1, let it rip, because they kind of mean like when on some spinners that aren't Lego, there's a rip cord and you just pull it, so rip is a way to describe it. All right, let's go. Pro versus Bubblegum rematch. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. There Bubblegum goes again. I think we should have another rematch. Done spinner as an easy level. Let's do advanced level. It's a bit more of a challenge, but I promise you, since you've done easy, advanced will be easy too. This is Heron. He's the first spinner you're gonna build, and he loves to move around. When you're building a spinner, if you want a successful one, you're going to need to remember these 3 things, or keep them in mind. Their body needs to be stable so they don't easily break. They need a handle to hold so you can spin them, but some spinners you hold the sides and spin them. And the third thing is the bottom. That helps them spin, not just plop down and start moving and move a little bit. For Heron, he was supposed to be a circle, which works very well for spinners. But that wouldn't have a very stable body. So what I did was I flipped these pieces over and I connected them with this. And for extra stability, I put these. So he had a pretty stable body. Now all I needed was the top and the bottom. The top was easy. All I needed to do was connect these 3 pieces together and put them on this side. Flip them over, put this piece so that his body becomes even more stable. And put this, that makes his bottom stably connected to the body and top. This is Rainbow. Rainbow got her name from the variety of colors she has. And when she spins, she kind of really looks like a rainbow. Let's watch her spin. Oops. Pretty colorful, right? I think so. So now you see how she got her name. Like I said, she looks like a rainbow. Now that she's stopped, let's try to build Rainbow. Right. Rainbow's middle is very easy. All you need to do is put these 3 rectangles together like this. This one is 8 studs. These 2 are 6 studs. Studs are kind of these little dots here. Now, we put this piece and connect right here. And you put this piece and connect right here. And we put this and this. And then we put this and another one of it. And now to make it quicker, I used one that's as big as 2 of these connected. Just put these and this. That right here. And this to make it spin right here. It's just one tiny stud. Put this piece here. And this piece right here. Next we'll put this piece. And then we'll take these 2 pieces, put them like that, and place them right here. Finally, we'll just put these pieces and that right there. Next, we flip it over and place this as the part that helps it spin. We'll use these pieces to make Rainbow stabler. And now we flip Rainbow over, hold Rainbow down like this, put one of those, flat square, another one, and another. You don't even need to copy my builds. You can use them as an inspiration. Let's see Rainbow spin. Very beautiful. I guess now it has to be Rainbow versus Heron! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Bye-bye, Heron. That's funny. Now, let's make Propeller. Propeller got his name from the spin he has. When he spins, he kind of looks like a propeller. We also added an upgrade so that he becomes more stable, and if he's in a battle, has a better chance of winning. Let's see him spin. Pretty cool. Alright, Propeller is a bit more complex, but still pretty easy. First, you need to put those 2 pieces on. Just connect them here. Now, if you see, the sides are even here, because if they weren't even, Propeller would easily unbalance. Now, we put these pieces right here and flip them over. Then we'll use these pieces to connect propeller to this part. Now, his top. Pretty easy. Now, here's a tip. A circle top works a bit better than a square top. I didn't have many circles, so I had to use a square. Now, for a finishing touch, ta-da! And like we did with Heron, let's do a test on his spinning. Pretty nice. He really looks cool like that. This is Blade. Obviously, he got his name from these two blades he has. He's not as balanced as Propeller because these blades are longer than these blades. So that's why he doesn't spin for very long. But if he hits a spinner successfully in a battle, he could defeat it. He has a chance. Now, let's build Blade! Before we build Blade, I want to introduce you to some of the pieces I used for him. This is the bottom of a car I found in a Lego set, and these are plane wings I found in my Lego collection. This is Blade's very stable base. Then, we just connect these two wings here, and to make them stable, put these. Then, we attach this right here. And put this dot here so he spins. Then we flip him over and put these right here. After that, we put these two pieces on, put this circle on, and ta-da! Let's see how well he spins. His spin is sure huge. His spin sure is huge, I mean. But like I said, he does not spin for very long. Another creative way to play with these spinners, which is my second favorite way to play with them, is to stack them on top of each other. They always look cool. Let's try it vice versa, like this. Flying off the board. Ah, and Heron! What about Pattern? Pattern's the Blade. Oh. And Propeller went off too. So looks like Pro was spinning the most. I told you he was going badly. Now he stopped. Please subscribe for more fun and entertaining LEGO creations. Bye!